All right, customer dropped this vehicle off for an oil change, routine maintenance. Their maintenance light is on, and my sticker is basically saying they're 2,000 miles overdue for oil change. So it's been 7,000 miles since they've been without an oil change. So they're complaining of a noise while driving, a rubbing type sound. I took it for a ride, and you can see these tires are junk. Same thing goes to the rear. You hear a lot of noise from the rear. It's because the tires are choppy. What that means, they're all feathered on the edges. This tire is junk. So the other thing about it is that this vehicle, this is about the best tire on it. This vehicle was due for state inspection July 2025. It's now December of 2025. So it's going to be interesting with this whole state inspection going away thing, because and the customer that owns this is a good guy. He's just not that mechanically inclined, and it's good he's pointing out that he hears a noise that sounds abnormal. So you get a tire like this. It's in December in New England. You got all-wheel drive. You get a bad snowstorm. You're really not probably going anywhere on slicks. That's a no-brainer. Everybody should know that. So if you go out and spend the money for tires, make sure you get a four-wheel alignment done. And you should kind of make that a regular thing, because if you don't, the adjusters aren't going to move, and it's going to cost you extra money to get it done right. So yeah, I just want to throw this quick video out here about tire wear and tire noises. And if you hear a rubbing type noise while you're driving down the road that doesn't change when you steer the steering wheel from left to right, it's likely tires. If the noise is present or more audible when you turn the vehicle right or left lightly going straight down the road, it's likely a wheel bearing. Hey, if you like this video, you know what to do. Thank you. I appreciate you.